Okay, last examples. We're looking, you know me and my hiking across Spain. So backpacks and male backpacks. So the average for a female is 14.5 pounds. And Carla has a pack that weighs 10 pounds, 12 pounds. And the standard deviation, the spread on the women's backpacks is 1.5 pounds. And for guys, for males, it's their average is higher. They have more gear. They can bring their iPads if they want to. They can manage. Eduardo's backpack, or Edward, I'm sorry, is also 12 pounds. And the spread for the male backpacks is a little bit higher. It's 2 pounds. So the question is, whose backpack is more unusually light? Well, for Carla's, let's go ahead and calculate Carla's Z-score. Carla is a female, so I'm going to use these numbers. 12 minus 14.5 all over 1.5. Well, I get negative 2.5 over 1.5, or negative 1.6666, or negative 1.6 bar. All right? So that's her Z-score. What is Edward's Z-score? Well, he has to use the male numbers, so his is 12 minus 16 all over 2. And I get negative 4 over 2, which is negative 2. So Edward's is more unusually light. All right. Well, light. Okay. Now, here's the thing. Let's say we try to figure out going backwards. So I'm going to kind of talk you through it and then give you the formula. Average weight for a female backpack, it's still all this. Here, let me just write it right here so it's easy to see. Average is 14.5. Sigma is 1.5. So the question was, if I told you that my backpack was 4 standard deviations above average, yes, I carry a heavy pack, what would the score, how much does my backpack weigh? Well, let's think about it. So the weight for Overman's pack, am I above average or below average? I'm above average. 14, in fact, the average is 14.5 pounds. So you know I have at least 14.5 pounds in my pack. How far above the average am I? Well, I'm actually 4 of these spreads, because that's what the Z-score means. Your standard deviation. So this is your average, and this is your Z-score times your sigma. Does that make sense? So I'd get 14.5 plus 6, or 20.5 pounds. Okay. Then, let's say I wanted to find the weight for Miss Pierce's pack. She went hiking with me. Well, hers is below average, but I'm going to still start with the 14.5. Her Z-score is negative 2.5. So that means I'm going to be 2.5 spreads, and the spread is 1.5. So 14.5 minus 3.75 is 10.75. So her pack is 10.75 pounds. What's the difference in our pack weight? Difference is 20.5 minus 10.75, 9.75 pounds. Voila. So that's how you can calculate that.